Xander's not awake. Scotty's kind of awake.
Yeah, a little bit of coffee.
Is that all you have in you?
That and old age.
Oh. So we charge the battery that we have here, you know, the shop community village bicycle. We got power. I found us a decent ground.
Keys?
Oh, yeah, you're going to want to go get those probably. Sorry.
It's okay.
But we have power.
You guys should chat amongst yourselves. I'll be right back.
Talk amongst yourselves. Discuss. So. All right. Power. Yay. What'd you say?
Does the blue match my eyes?
No. You're crazy, but that's okay.
You don't want a black stick flopping in your face?
Come on.
Who hired him?
I don't know, but he blends right in. Okay. Drum roll.
As soon as I can find the top switch.
It's probably on the dash there, buddy.
Courtesy map panel. Accessory. Top.
As opposed to bottom. I hear it click.
Yeah.
Okay.
Something.
Xander, hold up a little bit because I don't want to put too much stress on the top. So pull up. There we go, right there.
Go. The pump runs. Ooh.
Try and help it go back a little bit.
It's trying.
I'm not gonna burn that motor out.
It's trying though. Fun.
Okay, so let's see if we can access the pumps or see anything. Make sure nothing's just not
I'm sure it's
leaking all over
behind.
the place.
I'm sure it's behind the back seat. So
Yeah, wouldn't surprise me.
we'll get in there. We got to unload all this stuff anyway because we got to get that radiator to Gary. We got stuff we got to do.
Okay, so I'll start pulling out the back seat, get all the chrome and the safety stuff that we need to be able to box up, put away safely so that there's no issues with it.
And once we have all of our trim, we need to separate.
Which I can't do until I get all of that taken out and get the top. We may have to just manually force it back.
Well, not
'cause
force
it's
it,
not
just
working.
unhook it from the
Yeah.
rams and put it down.
Yeah.
Do that. We'll get that, but we got to get all of our chrome, the stuff that needs to be chromed, into a pile to send better photos to the chromer.
Yep, exactly.
The stuff like the nose and tail, those are anodized aluminum, so that'll be a Scotty
that I can
polish. We do have to get this trim off.
Ask first before we remove it if he wants us to remove it or if he wants the paint shop to remove it.
Yeah.
Because I can have it off in, not super long.
But I
And then
mean,
that'll give us a chance to
we actually should probably pull it because they're going to want to see what's behind it when we bring it over there for them to give a quote. But
Yeah,
it's only going to, it's not coming off the trailer when we take it over. So we got to get all the wheel arch trim off. We got to get the side skirt here off. All right, there's still a lot to do, sir.
And I think it would probably be a really, really good idea to get some black and yellow totes from Home Depot.
Mm-hmm.
So that we can put this stuff, the small stuff, box it all up, label it, put it aside, because a lot of this stuff is going to be really rare to find.
Yes.
And I mean, because the body on this is,
It's pretty straight.
yeah, I mean, I don't see, it's not smashed, it's not dented all over the place. I mean, stuff like that, but I mean, like the trim, the nose pieces, the tail pieces for the lens, the reverse light holders, the fog light holders, all that stuff's in amazing condition. We're not going to find that, just willy-nilly. We're just not.
Yeah. And if you do, it'd probably be a Chinese piece of crap, so.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, with that, I think it'll be time to just unpack the car and start getting things handled.
Yep. So we'll do a run after we deal with the other client this morning. We'll do a quick run up to Home Depot to grab some totes.
Get some totes, yeah. Get some totes. Maybe I'll bring you back here and then I'll go get them.
Yeah, there we go. This way I can start the
You
day
can
on
carry
this one.
on. Yeah. So I guess
Taken care of.
we can start unpacking it now and have everything
Well, I
laid
want to be
out.
able to put it in totes first so that I don't accidentally make a mistake, slip, trip, fall, and smash something. Car, tote, put aside.
Car tote side.
Yep.
Cargo. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cargo.
Cargo who?
Cargo honk honk.
Did you give him his medication this morning?
No.
Okay, please do.
I actually need to do that. Thanks for reminding me.